This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Ct. Newer home in Malloy Terrace with an open floor plan downstairs with large kitchen, soft close cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances included, all even the extra fridge in the garage. Living room has lots of windows with gas tiled fireplace with hearth. Large master bedroom with walk-in closet. Master bathroom with walk-in tiled shower with glass shower door and double vanity with granite countertops. 3 other bedrooms are spacious with walk-in closets in every room. Backyard has a covered deck and patio with large fenced-in backyard and backs up to Greenspace with no one ever right behind you. Community has walking trails throughout and community area that can be set up for community garden or whatever the HOA picks. For more information, review the details below.